See, if I'm going to have ln A equals to B, it is written like this. For instance, if it is written like this, ln A equals to B, okay, and I want to shift this ln on the other side. So how will I write it? I will take this ln on this side and I will write it like this. Ln shifted over here will be written like E, and whatever is written on this side will become the power of exponential. Okay, in the same way, if I have got, for instance, lg x equals to y, for instance, I have got this one, lg x equals to y. So when I will shift my lg on the other side, it will become 10 to the power y. Okay, these are the two things you have to remember. When ln from one side is shifted on the other side, whatever is on the other side, that will become the power of exponential. And if it is lg and lg is shifted on the other side, then it will become 10 to the power what is written on the other side, that will become the power. They are telling us now, they are saying find y in terms of x. Few of the question are given in between below lines. The questions are given, and this is question number 23 of exercise 3.4. Now the question says 10 to the power y equals to x plus 1. Okay. When in the question exponential is given, then we apply ln. But if a number is given, and especially if the number is 10, then we will apply LG. So LG on both sides, this will become LG 10y equals to LG x plus 1 in bracket. After this, y will be shifted before log. LG 10, LG has base 10, so base and multiple are same. So LG 10 will become 1, LG x plus y plus 1, and simplified part will be y equals to LG x plus 1, and that's it. I don't have to do anything else. This will be my answer. Next thing, they are giving me exponential 1 minus y equals to 3x. Now it is exponential. So what I am going to do, as it is exponential, so I am going to apply ln on both sides. So ln e 1 minus y equals to ln 3x. 1 minus y will be written before log, and ln e will become 1 equals to ln 3x. Always remember that you will first remove the power and then you will apply log with the multiple. Don't do it when you are having power other than 1. Okay. After this, what will happen? 1 minus y equals to ln 3x. Shifting it over here, it will become 1 minus ln 3x equals to y, and that will be your answer. You will not solve it further right now. So new question is ln y plus 1 equals to x. This is my new question. Ln y equals to ln bracket y plus 1 equals to x. So first of all, there is an ln. I have to shift it on the other side. It will become y plus 1 equals to ln will be shifted over here. It will become e, and whatever, again I'm saying whatever is written on this side will be written as the power. Even if there is a whole equation, you will write that whole equation as the power of exponential or as the power of 10, whatever is the situation given to you. After this, shift in 1 over there, y equals to e to the power x minus 1. Okay? And according to like this one, we are going to first see what is the question telling us, and according to our question we will apply the application. Okay, like what the question which I am going to do over here is question number 24 of exercise 3.4, and the question says LGX equals to 0.61. I have to find the value of x. Okay. Before x, there is LG written, which I have to remove. Only then I can get the value of my answer over here. Okay. So when I will shift this LG from this side to the other side, this will become 10. And the power, whatever is written on the other side, will become the power of x. Will become the power of x. After this, what I am going to do? X equals to, I will use calculator and I will get my answer, and my answer is coming 4.07. That is the value of x which I am getting over here. Another question I am writing over here, and this question says ln x whole square equals to 3. Now it is whole square. It is not only on x, it is whole square. So I can't write it over here because it is whole square. So what I am going to do, first of all, I will remove taking root on both sides. Okay, so this will become ln x equals to root of 3 is plus minus 1.73. Two answers will be there. Root of 3 is 1.73. Okay, now it means either this or this is given. Either this, either it will be equals to this, or either it will be equals to this one. Now shifting ln on the other side, so inverse of ln is exponential, and whatever is written over here, number, variable, equation, whatever will be given, it will be written as the power. It will be written as the power. Okay. So, or when I will simplify this one, x equals to exponential minus 1.73. Okay. Now, when I will further simplify it, I will use calculator. I will solve it. My answers are coming 5.65 or 0.177. Okay. This is how, and these are the values of x which can be plotted in this question. Okay, now what you can do, you can take these values, plot it over here in the calculator, solve it, and check that are you getting 3 or not. So this is my new question. Okay, and I have to find again the value of x in this one. First of all, over here LG2 is given. Now it's your choice. You can use the calculator to get this value and then solve it further, or you can first simplify it and then use the whole thing. It's your choice. I'm using the value. So ln x equals to, this is coming 0.301, right? Now shifting ln on the other side, exponential 0.301, and when I will solve this one, the answer is coming, my answer is coming 1.35, which you can use, which you can get from calculator also. Another way to solve this question is ln x equals to lg2. Okay, how will I solve it? I'm not using calculator right now. I'm directly shifting ln on the other side. X equals to exponential, and whatever is there, that will become the power of exponential. Okay, so x equals to, when you will simplify this whole thing in the calculator, the answer is coming 1.35 again. Okay, these are the two ways to solve this question. This is my new question, and again I have to solve it to get the value of x over here, right? You can solve this thing in the first place, then start shifting the things. I'm doing it directly. First of all, I'm shifting LG over here. This will become 10 to the power bracket LG3 bracket close whole square. Okay? This LG shifted over here, it will become like this. After this, when I will shift -2 over there, that will become 10 LG3 whole square -2. And when I will simplify it, the answer is coming 3.69. Okay, the answer is coming 3. I'm solving this question again. First of all, LG x -2 equals to. Now, first of all, I'm solving inside whatever is written inside. I'm solving that one. This will become 0.477 whole square. Okay, you guys will use calculator to get your values. Okay, you guys will use calculator to get your values over here, and after this, I am going to apply square on this one. LG x -2 equals to, when I will apply square, the answer is coming 0.2276. My answer is coming 0.2276. After this, I am shifting LG on this side. X -2 equals to 10 to the power 0.2276. Okay, I'm getting 10 to the power. You guys can use calculator for that. 10 to the power 2276, and when I will simplify it by the help of calculator, it is coming 1.68. And when I will shift this -2 over there, this will become 3.68, the same value which I have got over here.